Is your 2007 Honda Odyssey's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. Many owners face this frustrating issue, but the good news is that most cases have identifiable causes. The problem typically manifests as unexpected alarm activation, often during nighttime hours when the vehicle is parked and secure. There are three primary culprits behind these alarm malfunctions. First, sliding door switch mechanisms that become dirty or corroded. Second, key fob batteries that degrade over time. And third, main battery issues that affect system voltage. When diagnosing the problem, consider these key factors. First, mileage matters. Vehicles with over 150,000 miles are significantly more prone to these issues. Second, timing patterns are important. Most false alarms occur during nighttime hours, particularly between 2 and 6 a.m. Third, watch for dashboard indicators like the door ajar light, which often signals sliding door switch problems. Testing your key fob is a crucial diagnostic step. Start by testing the range at different distances, 10, 20, and 30 feet from your vehicle. Check the battery voltage, which should read 3.0 volts or higher. Low voltage can cause erratic signals that confuse the security system. Your car's main battery health is critical for alarm system stability. When voltage drops below 12.4 volts, the alarm becomes hypersensitive and prone to false triggers. Cold weather exacerbates these issues, and corroded battery terminals can create intermittent connections that confuse the system. Use this diagnostic checklist to identify the root cause of your alarm problem. Check your vehicle's mileage, note when the alarms occur, look for dashboard warnings, test your key fob, and verify your car battery's health. These steps will help pinpoint the specific issue affecting your 2007 Honda Odyssey. The most common cause of false alarms is faulty sliding door switches. Here's how to fix them, step by step. Use electrical contact cleaner to remove dirt and corrosion from the switch contacts. This solves the problem in about 65% of cases. After cleaning, apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion and ensure reliable contact. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, replace the switch. Replacement switches cost between $25 and $40 and have an 85% success rate. Key fob problems are the second most common cause. The solution starts with replacing the battery. After replacing the battery, you need to reprogram the key fob using Honda's 8-step procedure. If the signal remains weak after battery replacement and reprogramming, the key fob itself may need replacement. Battery issues can also trigger false alarms. Start by performing a load test to check battery health. A healthy battery should maintain 12.6 volts under a 100-amp load. Also, clean the terminals with baking soda solution to ensure good connections. For chronic cases that don't respond to standard repairs, consider aftermarket bypass modules or smart disable switches. Bypass modules cost between $89 and $150, while smart disable switches allow you to temporarily shut down the alarm system when needed. Prevention is the best cure. Monthly door switch cleaning and annual key fob battery replacement can significantly reduce these alarm issues. Following these step-by-step solutions and maintenance practices will resolve most 2007 Honda Odyssey alarm problems and prevent future issues.